Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, April 15th. Let's take a look at that Nasdaq market, and I thought it was just a fascinating day. We had some bearish fundamentals that came out, and it's interesting to see how the market reacted to it. From my point of view, this is what I call a benchmark candle. Buyers are still in place. They bought the break. So what are we looking for on Monday? I'm looking for unchanged to higher. I'm not looking for bearish action in this market. The structure is bearish, but I believe market action on Monday is going to be unchanged to higher. I feel the same way about the euro. I'm looking for the euro to firm up. You can see again they bought the break in this market. I'm looking for unchanged to higher. Also, I want to point out too, in the yen, it did trade above this bullish level. The difference between that red line and the green line that you see there, and again, these are only references. I'm not suggesting that you should do this or that you would get this type of return. But that difference there is 350 ticks. Each tick, the smallest increment of change, is $12.50. So that would be $4,375 per contract. That's the magnitude of change that you see there. And again, what's interesting about currencies, that if you are interested in trading them, and you have worked out a trading strategy, you can trade the microcurrencies. So instead of $12.50 per tick, it is $1.25. So it reduces the capital requirement in terms of margin and also your exposure in terms of profit or loss. So interesting, complex. Remember the microcurrencies if you're looking to trade these currency markets. Let's move on though and take a look at the interest rates. Here I'm looking for an unchanged to slightly higher. I'm not looking for a dramatic move to the upside in the 10-year interest rates. In the metals markets, gold fell out of bed. We had a heck of a bounce at the bottom. I'm looking for a sideways market in that market. And in crude oil, it also fell out of the bed. The way we came in is the way we went out. But I think this for crude oil also sideways market. It's gotten far enough that we may find a little bit of buying at these levels, but I'd like to see it a lot lower. Soybeans continue higher on some weather conditions. We do not want to see an equal and opposite. In other words, a red candle next to that green candle on Monday, and I'm not expecting that. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.